Sports Authority of India ki kuntraga mari shuba mapok kumon ki thauram pangthokre Khumalampakta laiva Sai-Stc ki indoor hall da pangthokiba achamba thauram aduda YAS ki director T Fulen, Sai-NERC ki regional director Francis Marwin, Sai-NERC Imphal ki director Lenmin Thang amadi Sai-Stc Imphal ki deputy director Donacharya Awardee L Ibom Zaga loinana Sai-Stc Imphal ki masak nairaba mioi kayana saruk yaki Manipur da Arjuna Awardee kun laibagi Manung-Da Sai-Stc Imphal na kumza lishing amaga chamapan marfudra mapan dagi hauna tongan ba masana singda Arjuna Awardee taraga mathoi Pukhokpa ngamkhre lishing amaga chamapan marfu mari dagi hauna hauzik fawada Manipur da Olympian taraga mapan laibagi Manung-Da Sai-Stc Imphal na kumza lishing ani dagi hauna tongan ba masana singda Olympian mapan puthokre sai dagi haukiba sanaroi ahumna Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Padma Shri Awardee Fangkiva Sanaroi Ani aduga boxer Mary Kom na Padma Bhushan amadi Padma Vibhushan ki manasing fangbang amki kumza lishing ani taramapan dagi hauzik fawada international player mari aduga national level dana sanaroi nifuga nithoi puthokre makhatana su sai NERC Imphal na Olympian International amadi national gi thakta naha oiriba sanaroi kaya puthoknabagi asanba mityeng amaga loinana pandam asi fangnanaba hotnari haina thauram aduda saruk yakiba sai NERC gi regional director Francis Marwin na phongdokhi
This center was #1 in producing the number of nationals and international sports person during those days. It's a very, very good achievement for this center, and I hope in due course of time more and more national, international, including Olympians, we will be able to see from this center. Perhaps for achieving that target which have been set by the athletes and by the coaches could be possible only if you have the discipline. I have heard about the prizes given away just now, in which the prizes were also there for educational achievement.